Hi there, I am going to give my opinion on the MOAR Folding E-Bike. The MOAR Folding E-Bike can collapse into a highly compact bundle which allows you to store it very easily. Unlike others, it is designed to ride like an adventure bike, allowing you to ride it not just in city streets but along backcountry trails. It is fitted with suspension both front and rear, allowing it to provide a smooth ride over the bumpy, uneven trails of the backcountry paths. Its 26 by 4 inch fat tires provide excellent traction regardless of the surface. A chunky frame cut in 6061 aircraft grade aluminium ensures rugged and lightweight performance. It comes in two motor options, a 500 watt hub model and a 750 watt mid-drive model. Features include an integrated rack in the rear, 3 options in Shimano gears and an LCD screen on the handlebar. It comes with 3 battery options, with the largest one providing 85 miles of pedal assist riding. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to The Tech Guy for more videos.